Okay, so this review is like a test between both of us. You as a viewer and I as a reviewer. You want to hear only the praises about the film because of the whole sensitive issue around Sushant Singh Rajput and this being his last film, or you want to know my honest opinion about the film, whether I liked it or not. Let's find it out. So before starting the review, I want to clear that I have not seen the original Hollywood film The Fault in Our Star or even read the book based on the same story. So basically I'm completely new to this story and I'm not going to compare it with anything else, which is good. So this is the love story of Manny and Kizzy, played by Sushant Singh Rajput and Sanjana Sanghi, and they both are diagnosed with cancer here. The film is directed by Mukesh Chhabra, the guy who is mostly popular for casting people. Yeah, that man. This is his directorial debut. So the film is a love story, and when it comes to love story, I am like, okay, let's see what it is showing. But surprisingly, this is not at all bad. It's a good story. The character of Kizzy Basu, played by Sanjana Sanghi, at first she is this girl who is frustrated of having cancer, and that is genuine. Yeah, people are frustrated because of that. But her character changes because of Sushant Singh Rajput entering her life. I mean, she looks at him and she is like, man, this guy is also having cancer. But he's just not caring about that much. He is living his life despite that and enjoying the fuck out of it. I mean, this guy is so optimistic, keeps joking about cancer. He keeps joking about cancer not just for him, for her also. And eventually she starts falling for him, and that's a love story. I really liked Sanjana Sanghi's acting. Man, this girl has some potential. She was very good, she was natural, and she was believable. At first I was really skeptical about her, but man, she surprised me definitely. Also, I really liked Kizzy's parents in the film. Her mom and dad, they were quite natural throughout all the scenes they were having with her and Manny. So talking about Sushant Singh as Manny, his character is quite a dick at first. I mean, honestly, it felt like this man is so over the top. Why is acting so over? But you start understanding and realizing that his character is actually like that. His character is over the top. His character is filmy. He's full on masala. He loves movies of Rajnikant. He is making a film which is based on a Bhojpuri bad movie. All those scenes where they were deliberately making that bad Bhojpuri movie was quite hilarious and quite funny. Although at first sometime I was feeling like Sushant Singh looked older for his character. He was shown as a 24 years old guy and he was not actually matching Sanjana Sanghi that much. I mean, we are used to that thing in Bollywood now. Like, heroes are little older and actresses are little younger. Sushant really gets under your skin in the second half of the movie when the emotions are more stronger now. When he talks about getting scared, when he talks about life, death, dreams.
जन्म कब लेना है और मरना कब है हम डिसाइड नहीं कर सकते.
Instead of thinking about the character, you are actually thinking about him in real life. And that's when he is actually getting inside you. You start thinking about real him, what he must have gone through before taking that decision. Those things in this film, when you relate to that stuff, it's really heavy. He definitely shines out in those scenes. He likes to give 100% to a scene. Like there's a scene in the movie in which his nose is blowing and we can see the material coming out of that. That was very intense and that was like, okay, was that necessary? Was that really necessary? But I don't know, like maybe. I don't know about cancer that much. Maybe people suffering from that might know, okay, this thing can happen, your nose can blow that much and all. But man, you go to that extent for a character, it's amazing. Mostly the film becomes an emotional journey because subconsciously you keep thinking about the real incident more and you keep connecting whatever he is saying to the real incident. This was definitely a good performance of Sushant, but for me, he would be always remembered as the guy who did MS Dunia, as the guy who did Chichore, as the guy who did Kai Poche, who did Kedarnath. I would remember him for those roles. Also, I want to mention the music of the film. A.R. Rahman, as always, has done a good job with the music. Like, the songs are melodious, it are soothing to ear. I mean, it's just always amazing. You don't have to talk about that. Talking about direction, as this was first time Mukesh Chhabra directing something, some of the scenes were quite over dramatized, which was not necessary, but this is Bollywood and few things can't change easily. And this being his first directorial debut, I would say it was a decent job done by him. Also in the film, there's a surprising fun actor, which will definitely surprise you if you don't know the cast of the film. So please don't read the cast of the film. He's there for a short scene and you will definitely like this guy. Film is very sweet, it's nice, it's emotional, and you should 100% watch it. It's there on Hotstar now. Well, I also think that it should have been released on the big screen because he deserved that, being his last film, but what to do. But still we can make this his biggest hit. So yeah, definitely check out the film. Sushant's film journey ends with this film and he would always be missed forever. Rest in peace, brother.